students, in last class we started the lesson in kindness, and we came to know about a boy who was standing in the street, and he was seen by Mr. Roy. He was seen by Mr. Roy, and what he had with him? He had a bag. He had a bag. It was hanging on his over his shoulder. What he had? He had a bag. That bag was slung over his shoulder. One bag ittu ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹತ್ರ. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಭುಜಕ್ಕೆ ನೇತ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದು. And next we came to know that he took out a sandwich out of his bag. What he took out? Okay students, he took a piece of a sandwich out of his bag, and what he did with that sandwich is he started to eat that sandwich. And then a little dog in the same street, it also saw that boy eating sandwich, and it went closer to that boy because it also wanted to eat that sandwich. When the dog, it was looking at the boy, and then the boy, he showed the sandwich to that dog and asked that dog to if it wanted to eat it, and he showed the sandwich to that. And next the boy, what he did? Yes, the boy he showed the sandwich to the dog. When he showed that sandwich, then that dog, what it did? That dog, it went closer to that boy, and it started moving its tail, and it sat on its hind leg. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಹುಡುಗ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತಿಂತಿದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು? ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ನೋಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚನ್ನು ಆ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಹುಡುಗ. ಆವಾಗ ಆ ನಾಯಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ. ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದವ? ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ನಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ತನ್ನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತು. So next what happened? It sat on its hind leg, and then what he did? The boy, what he did? He kicked on the belly of that little dog. Instead of giving any sandwich to that, what he did? He kicked on the belly of that little dog. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ? ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಯ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ? ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. And when he kicked on the belly of that dog, what it did? The dog, it ran away. How it ran away? It ran away yielding in pain. It yielded in pain and ran away. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ನೋವ್ನ್ಯಾಗ ಜೋರಂಗ ನೋವೊಳಗೆ ಚೀರ್ತಾ started shouting in pain and ran away from that boy. ಆ ಹುಡುಗನಿಂದ ದೂರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. And what that boy did? He started laughing. The boy, he began means start. Begin means start. Began. Begin, began. The boy, he started laughing. Then what happened? How cruel he was. When he started laughing at that little dog, we can come to know that how cruel that ಬಾಯ್ ವಾಸ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಗಾಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಅವ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೂರ ಅದನೋ. ಕ್ರೂವೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೂರ. ಕ್ರೂವೆಲ್ ಕ್ರೂರ. ಇವಿಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ see it. Okay, Mr. Roy saw all this. I must teach this boy a lesson, he said to himself. The Mr. Roy, he was watching all these things. Mr. Roy, what he was doing? He was sitting in his room and reading a newspaper, and he was watching, he was seeing all these things. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ದ. I must teach this boy a lesson. Okay, here Mr. Roy, he himself said that he must teach the boy a lesson. So Mr. Roy said himself, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ತಮಗೆ ತಾವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾರ ಏನಂತ, ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಅ ಲೆಸನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಗಾಯ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಹುಡುಗಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅನ್ಕೊತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್. He had a stick in his hand. He called out to the boy in a kindly tone. The boy at once came to Mr. Roy. Okay, Mr. Roy, what he did? He came out of his room. He came out of his room. He came out into the street. ರೂಮಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ರಸ್ತೆ ಒಳಗೆ, ಓಣಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಲ್ತಾರೆ. He had a stick in his hand. What he had, Mr. Roy? He had a stick in his hand. He had a stick in his hand. So stick in the sense ಕೋಲು, ಬಡಿಗಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅವನ ಕೈ ಒಳಗ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಕೈ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದು ಕೋಲು ಇತ್ತು. He called out to the boy in a kind tone. Mr. Roy, he called that boy. Which boy? The boy who kicked on the belly of the dog. Mr. Roy, he called that boy. ಆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಕರೀತಾರ. In a kind tone. How was his tone? How was his tone? How was his voice? Yes, it was kind. ಏನಿತ್ತು ಧ್ವನಿ, ಭಾಳ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಮೆತ್ತಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸಕಾಶ ಕರೆದ್ರು. The boy at once came to Mr. Roy. When Mr. Roy, he called the boy he came in a one call. When Mr. Roy, he called that boy in a kind tone, that boy, he came to the Mr. Roy in one call. ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಕರೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಬಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Mr. Roy took out from his packet a thick chocolate bar. He showed it to the boy and said, oh boy, do you want this chocolate bar? Yes, here Mr. Roy, he called that boy and he took out from his pocket a thick chocolate. Mr. Roy, he took out a thick chocolate from his pocket. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹುಡುಗನ ಕರೀತಾರ, ಕರೆದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ದಪ್ಪಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೇಬಿಂದ ತೆಗಿತಾರ. ಸೊ he showed it to the boy and said, Mr. Roy, he showed that thick chocolate bar to that boy and he said that, oh boy, do you want this chocolate bar? Mr. Roy, he asked the boy that, oh boy, if he wanted that chocolate bar. If he wanted that chocolate bar, the boy, Mr. Roy, he called that boy and asked him that if he wanted to eat that thick chocolate bar. ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಕರೀತಾರ, ಕರೆದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ, ನಿನಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ he asked him. Yes please, said the boy happily. Then the boy, he replied to Mr. Roy that yes, he wants that chocolate bar. So when ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಹಾಂ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, said the boy happily. How was the boy feeling now? Yes, he is feeling happy. Why? Because Mr. Roy is going to give a thick chocolate bar to that boy. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ ಅವನು? ಎಸ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕ್ತಾರ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ್ ಹೊಂಟಾರ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾನ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್, said Mr. Roy. When the boy, he wanted to have that chocolate bar, then Mr. Roy, he told him that then if you want the chocolate, then take it. So have it. ಏನು ನಿನಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೋ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. So what happens next? The boy stretched out his hand for the chocolate bar, but Mr. Roy put it back into his pocket. Instead of giving the boy any chocolate, he gave him a sharp blow with his stick. What happens? When the boy, he wanted the chocolate, then Mr. Roy, he told him that to have that chocolate. When Mr. Roy told him to let you have that chocolate, then if you want the chocolate, then take it. He told him that. So ನಿನಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ. So when Mr. Roy told him to take the chocolate, then that boy, he stretched his hand. He stretched his hand. ಕೈ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಚಾಸ್ತಾನ. ದ ಬಾಯ್, he spread his hand. ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ out of his hand from chocolate bar, but Mr. Roy put it back into his pocket. What Mr. Roy did? Instead of giving the chocolate bar to that boy, Mr. Roy, he took that chocolate and he put that chocolate into his pocket. ಆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಯ್, ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರ, ವಾಪಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಚಾಚಿದಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ. Instead of giving the boy any chocolate, he gave him a sharp blow with his stick. So what Mr. Roy, he did, instead of giving chocolate bar, what he gave Mr. Roy, he gave a sharp blow on his hand. ಏನು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಏನು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ Mr. Roy, with that stick, he gave a sharp blow on the hand of the boy. ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರ, ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ. See, look at this picture. What Mr. Roy is doing? He is giving a blow on the boy's hand. Boy, he stretched his hand for chocolate. But Mr. Roy, what he is doing? Instead of giving the chocolate, what he is doing? He is giving a sharp blow on the hand of this boy. Okay, students, let me stop here. In next class, we will continue the lesson. Okay, let me stop here.